How to complain on Martcost. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Scroll down and go to Footer menu. After then click on Complaint option. Now fill here your complaint. First, enter your full name. Second, enter your email address. Next, enter your SKU number. But before go to open your email account and check your product recipient. Next, enter your invoice number. But again before go to open your email account and check your product recipient. Next, enter your complaint subject. And next, describe your problem of products. After then, click on Submit button. Finally, your complaint has been successfully recorded. Join now, Digital Education Martcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.